Got a topic for today. Besides this beautiful sunset, it's one of those times of year where the sunset lights up the entire sky with the colors. Full moon off to my 10 o'clock. So the topic for today is, what is a poser bike? Had somebody comment on one of my videos that a motorcycle I reviewed was not a poser bike in their opinion because, you know, they weigh 270 pounds and they can ride the bike, and it's not made to carry anybody, it's not made to carry anything, it's not made for comfort, it's just made to go fast. Yeah, that's pretty much the definition of a poser, because if you can't carry anybody, then how are you going to pick up those cool people you meet because you're on the bike, right? You know, I can't tell you how many times I've been asked for a ride on my motorcycle. And not just this bike, but even when I had a CB750 chopper and a CB750. Now the next point was, the bike wasn't made to carry anything. And boy, they got that right. So you end up, what, using a backpack to put your rain gear in, or lunch in if you're going to the office, or you got to pick up something from the store. The third point was comfort. And that actually ties into going fast. How long can you go fast on something if it's not comfortable? I'm guessing not very long at all. The person pretty much defined what a poser bike is.